What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with Where You At, AJ. In today's video, or should I say tonight, because it is currently nighttime, we are going to go meet up with EJ and DB. EJ got a surprise for y'all waiting. Y'all are about to find out just what's in store, so y'all stay tuned. With that being said, make sure y'all leave a like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a future video. And yeah, YouTube, let's get going. Alright guys, so we just made it to Cumberland Farms, as y'all can see. Got EJ and DB. Got DB Scat. This is what EJ just picked up. If y'all haven't seen already, make sure y'all go check out DB's video. He just made a video. He got this car for EJ. And if y'all haven't already, go check out DB's video. Because, I mean, he literally just bought...
Where you at, AJ, right here?
No cap. But he just bought EJ this car right here. Yeah. So if y'all haven't already, check out that video. This is the new demon. But EJ, let's do a little rundown.
So basically, I bought this thing and did not know it had long tube headers in it. So it is loud, just a little bit. And it's nice, man. It's a 2019 5.0 GT Mustang.
Gas cap's open.
Anyways, alrighty, and if you wanna check it out in here, basically basic. I'm gonna try to get a wing, a spoiler on my car. Yeah, don't worry about that. Yeah, just don't worry about that. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get a different steering wheel, carbon, ambient lighting, and definitely some starlights up in there. And yeah, I already got long tube headers, so the thing's already loud, so I don't need anything with these off.
DB.
Hey guys. I can say it again and again. Haven't been on YouTube in a long time. I don't even know how to do a YouTube intro anymore. But what's good, YouTube?
Let's get a little rundown of the Scat.
Rundown on the Scat. Nothing,
I don't think I've ever done that yet.
Nothing crazy. Or actually, y'all haven't seen what I got done to the car. Come here right quick. Show y'all the inside. I don't really work too much on the outside, but I'm gonna show y'all what's in the inside.
Yeah.
Whoop. All right, so right here we got the carbon fiber steering wheel right here. If I turn on the vehicle, let it turn on right quick. Comes up, lights up. Got this, what do you call this? Carbon fiber trim. It's fake carbon fiber, nothing real, but it adds a cool touch to the car. But otherwise than that, it's just a Scat, man. Just a Scat. It's got the wide body kit on it. Nothing crazy. Got these lights right here, the white lights. That definitely adds a nice touch to that gray. But that's pretty much it, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Y'all go subscribe to my boy Where You At, AJ, man. No cap, behind the camera, because he's the one holding the camera, so subscribe. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. Let's do it, y'all.
Y'all heard what he said. Make sure you go subscribe. Y'all already know. But we're about to go get some POV video for y'all. Got DB Scat, EJ's 5.0, my Scat in the back. I mean Hellcat. But y'all already know. Y'all already know what I got in my Scat. Nothing new yet. I do want to get a steering wheel like these eventually. But about to get some POVs for y'all. About to take off here in a minute. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Alright, YouTube, about to take off. Hope y'all enjoy this POV action. Oh yeah, YouTube. If y'all did not know, we are all three of us are filming POVs right now. So go check out their channels. I'll leave the link in the description for y'all. But yeah, I got the POV right here. Y'all gonna see this in the video. So I hope y'all are enjoying so far. Stay tuned. I am spinning. Every time I hit the gas, I am spinning. Oh my gosh, I cannot keep traction right now. We just pulled up to the Cefco where there are a bunch of cops. AJ, what do you think?
Bro, the long tube headers, I don't know, y'all are gonna see in the video, but my was popping, bro. I heard it the entire time. It was like,
hear the cops in the background.
Hey, eyes on me. Don't worry about those guys back there.
We pulled up to the one gas station with 13 cops. But, and an ambulance. What's going on? I just cleaned my car too. And of course the day that I clean my car, it storms, like downpours on my car. But ain't a big thing. It didn't get too dirty. Cops leaving. Another one all the way over there. But I'm glad we didn't do nothing stupid pulling up right here, because yeah, we would have been running straight into their hands.
Why, bro? I'm telling you, I'm gonna be on this YouTube grind, guy.
No, he is about. Wait. Link your YouTube. I'm gonna put it in the description.
Right on.
Bro, gotta search it up. Nah, but I'm gonna link DB's. I'm gonna put DB's YouTube in the description as well, so y'all can go check out the video.
I haven't posted yet, guys, but this is gonna be my YouTube channel. Don't worry about the black monkey. I'm not changing it either. It's gonna be my emblem forever.
Bro's gonna blow up, and that's gonna be his picture.
People are gonna know me for the black, long, tall monkey, black feet. All ready to head up.
Where we?
Oh my God.
Where are we going after this?
Huh?
Where are we going after this?
Nah, that wasn't enough, bro. This is my first time, yo. This is my first time ever coming out with the cars with the boys with my own car. I usually don't drive. I usually film, but just look at her, bro. And she loud, she pop.
Woo! Yeah, that thing do sound crazy. And no tune, just straight long tube headers, and it's straight piped, isn't it?
I don't know what the freak's done to it, but the dude that owned it before did a damn good job.
Yeah, he had some taste in it. But I gotta get under this car and look at it. Take a good look at this car, to be honest, for real. I gotta see what's under that thing.
On tube headers, I'm pretty sure it is straight piped. I'm not sure, but it is super loud, as y'all can literally hear.
It sounds straight piped.
I think it is.
Think it is.
It's faster than this thing right here. It's this Hellcat.
Bro, we have not raced yet. This dude, first day he showed it to me. It was the second day of him owning it. He's like, "No, I'm not trying to race. I don't wanna wreck or nothing."
It was sliding. I didn't want to slide. You know, Mustang.
Bro, this dude literally let me drive and I floored it. I spun like this much.
That's just AJ, man. Got a good driver behind the camera right here.
Hey, I do drive good.
Then we got this guy
my own horn.
This guy's all play. Oh,
I got my car on, I'll pump again.
I got my what? Turn it off.
Hey, that's really a myth though.
Really? The whole gas station blow up?
Yeah, it's really a myth that you got to turn off your car. I mean,
I'm smelling y'all exhaust too.
no, that's normal. Especially since you don't have a tune, you're gonna smell some fuel. All right, so we are about to go to another spot and chill out for a little bit. I think there is a cop waiting on us to leave, but if he does pull me over, all that is content. He's waiting right over there. But yeah, I'll see y'all whenever we get to the next spot or on the road. Either one, I don't know. We'll see. Oh my gosh, that thing is loud as freak. Guys, there's a cop right up here. Look at him. They got somebody. I'm leading the pack, of course. DJ right there. Let's see. I don't know who the heck this guy is behind me though, following me so damn closely. Do you not see the police right here? Let's see who they got. Mustang. Roundabout. I don't know why my windshield keeps fogging up like this. Alright YouTube, that's it for tonight's video. I hope y'all did enjoy. If you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you never miss a future video. But yeah, I hope that y'all did enjoy the video, and I hope that y'all have a good night, good day, good afternoon, whatever it is for y'all. Good morning.
Alright y'all, peace out. I love y'all, go ahead sub.
Yeah, alright. we about to go back to the crib. Me and EJ gonna hop on Forza for a little bit, and then yeah, I'm probably gonna edit this video, and yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one.
Eyes on me.